mas malakas at mas masaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, syempre, bago yung Brody, Mami, and Daddy ang candle, baka may message or wish sila sa ating birthday celebrant. Ayan, si Daddy daw po muna.
Okay, to the turn mo ay sana ay malusog lang siya.
Yung